Hello again everyone. This time I'm going to be attempting a single pin pick. It's this CHUBB brass 5-pin padlock. This one is an absolute pig of a lock to pick. There's your keyway. It's a very tight paracentric keyway. That one. It does come with working key. So I got this one off Stu Roper. He sent me this in a wee package. There's your bitting. This is a bit of a nightmare lock to pick. There are 4 deep spools in here and 1 standard pin. So I'm going to use top keyway tension. You see the starting position there is 12 o'clock. It's going to really some very deep false sets, this lock. That's just into a false set. Pin 2 is the gatekeeper, and it puts you into a false set. This is where the fun begins. Pin 1 can be a tough one to set as well. Just bear with me, sorry. Not much commentary in this one. It's a bit difficult getting on the pins. That was pin number 1. Nightmare. I'll just show you the false set now. There you are. Oh, that's just opened. That is the quickest time that I have picked that in. I'm very, very surprised. That is usually a nightmare lock. It usually takes about 5 minutes. But that is your brass CHUBB 5-pin single pin pick. Absolute nightmare lock to pick. I'll just show you here. I already have one of these ages. It was in my naughty bucket. A long shackle one of the bought, and these are Stu's keys from this lock, and they fit this one as well. So same bitting and everything on them. So it's a bit of a strange one. Let's see, I've had this in ages, and Stu sent me this one. Also, this lock snapped my first pick that I've ever snapped. I've been picking for about a year now. That's the first pick I've ever snapped. It's this lock that snapped it. It's an absolute witch of a lock. So, if any of the guys in the UKLS Sport Forum, you've been picking a while and you want this here sent on to you to try it and have a go to see how hard it is, give me a wee shout on the forum and I'll send this to you, because it's an absolute nightmare pick. Thanks for watching, folks, and take care. All the best now. Bye bye.